I broke my lamp, I think. Came against this thing and it just flew backwards, but it's fine. First of all, you have the diffuser. This thing is so big, I can literally fill my whole screen with it. This thing is great at diffusing lights and making them softer. For instance, when you have a harsh light and you might want to make it softer for like that soft shadow on your face as I have right here. As you can see, the shadow on my face when I put my hand in front of it is really soft, and that's what you get when you have a great diffuser in front of your light. This thing is also really nice when you make a lot of outside photography of people, like portrait photos outside in the wild, and you have like the harsh sunlight shining on them. You can just put this like in front of them, in front of where the sun is coming from, and you'll get just like this a really cinematic soft shadow and soft lighting on them with just a diffuser. So you have some covers that you can put right over it and then just like zip it in so it locks in. On this side we have the bounce. This thing looks like the diffuser, but instead of light shining through it, it will bounce it back right to its source. This is really nice when you're operating with like 1 or 2 lights and you want to make it look like you have more lights, because if I set that on this side of my face, this whole shadow will be gone. It looks like 2 lights are lighting your face without any shadows. Just like the diffuser, you can also use the bounce to make your light softer. This thing also comes in handy when filming products. So if you have like a couple bounces or like a round foam thing that's white, you can bounce all the light directly to your product and you can make it evenly lit, just like Marques Brownlee's videos. If you fold it inside out, you'll get the third thing in this kit, which is a negative fill. This thing will do literally the opposite of the bounce. Instead of bouncing the light, it will just absorb the light and keep it prisoned forever. This thing is nice when you want to make some shadows on your face, or when you want to make existing shadows darker. If I bring it closer, the shadow will get even darker than it was before. So although I don't need it for its purpose to make shadows or make them darker, it really comes in handy for me when I want to make my background darker. And even when my background is so dark, you're still distracted by the 3D printed Pikachu. I know, right? That thing is so cool. So the last 2 things are kind of metallic reflections. So you got silver reflector and you got a gold reflector. So this thing is essentially the same as the bounce, but the silver reflector reflects a lot more light. So you can set it a little bit further away from yourself. And the gold one does the same thing, but with a little bit warmer color. All the products showcased in this video will be linked down below, with some extra accessories that will come in handy when using this thing. Thanks for watching, subscribe, like, and just do all the standard YouTube things to give my video more reach so more people can enjoy them. I'm out.